Today we have the NuPhy Air75 V3 tri-mode wireless keyboard unboxing. I'm very excited to unbox and open this keyboard, so let's go ahead and do just that. You know the drill. Let's go around the box and see what key features we have. So up here says NuPhy, and then we have Air75 V3 tri-mode wireless keyboard. It's a low profile. Then here on the side we just have some writing. And on the other side, we have here a few keywords: low profile, smart knob, NuPhy IO, tri-mode wireless. It's a mechanical keyboard. It's Nova white. And then we have play hybrid yours. On the top here, we have a smart knob, nano switch, gasket mount, long lasting battery life, tri-mode connectivity, and NuPhy IO to customize key mapping, macros, lighting, and SOCD settings. This is web-based, no installation required. Let's open this up. Very excited. This keyboard looks super sleek. Plastic wrapper is off. We'll open it this way. There's a tab right here. All right, here we have accessory box and a few icons here. Here's the keyboard. Let's go through the accessory box first. Very impressed by the packaging. They actually put in effort in this. Really nice. Okay, so here first off we have a key cap puller, also looks like a key switch puller. Next up we have a little, looks like a star screwdriver type of tool, very small. Looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C with a USB-A adapter. Here's the cable. It's gray with like a kind of like a turquoise, teal, baby blue type of color here. I actually really like the colorway. Complements each other very well. Continuing on, we have a few keycaps here. We have Alt, Escape, Insert, Alt, Delete, and Windows, and they're white keys. And then here, lastly, we have some type of orange wheel. This is like a little knob, and this right here, I'm really not sure what this is. Maybe you can put this on this. Yeah, so this knob here, I'm gonna put it next to the mic. You can also twist. You can do that with this one as well. It turns and clicks. That's really neat. There you go. Knob ×2 ABS. That's it for the accessory box. Now let's go for the actual keyboard itself. There it is. We have a manual here. That's it for the box. Opening up the manual here. It is a quick guide and FAQ, power usage instructions, and some useful information about the keyboard. Taking the keyboard out of the sleeve. And there it is. Very clean. Very slim profile. I like this aluminum casing around the keyboard itself. It's like a brushed aluminum feel. Very sturdy feel. Has a nice weight to it. It's not too light. It's not heavy. It is the perfect weight for a low profile keyboard. It doesn't stick out too much. Has a nice height for each key. You have your F keys. Backspace, page up, page down. You have this blue, yellow, and orange key right here. And it looks like you have like some light bar on the left and right top sides of the keyboard. You have control, option, command, FN, control. Then on the top here says off, wired, wireless. And then you have Windows or Mac. So you have the option to use either or. And then here on the left side of the keyboard, if you're looking at it from the front, you have USB-C and a USB dongle. And it goes right into the keyboard, which I really like. So in case you're traveling, you don't have any worry to lose this dongle. On the back side here, you can see through a little bit of the keyboard with like a, I think it's a translucent type of case. You have feet stand. I guess you can't really tell from this view, but there it goes. And it just has one big one and a small one as well. So you have two options if you want a higher raised or a lower raised stance. Then here it says tear, so let's tear this up. And here it says NuPhy Air75 tri-mode wireless mechanical keyboard. Very reflective. It's like a mirror. So let's go ahead and just turn this on, see if it has any power. we'll do wireless. So it is on. I'm going to adjust the light here so you can see. And it has an RGB in the back. And you can see it's changing colors. And overall, a very sleek design, very clean, very quiet and soft. I'm going to try to put this up to the microphone so you can hear the key sounds. That's going to be the end of the unboxing, guys. I appreciate you for watching. Check out the link in the description below so you guys can check the landing page for this product. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.